Oh.
I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
Oh. I missed my sleep on him.
Oh.
I don't have either sleep for him. Oh, nice.
Oh, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
I shot it.
Yes, yes, yes. The Junkrat. No, not the Junkrat. Yeah. That's who I was trying to. Okay, wait, come over here, come over here.
I'm coming.
They don't know, they don't know.
They have superior numbers.
Get him!
They lie once again, will killer.
Oh!
I expected more from
Yeah, come here, bitch. What, bitch?
That
Yeah,
anti
bitch.
was so sexy.
Oh, goodbye. Oh my god.
What a boob.
Oh my.
No, no, no!
Wow, you think you're so big and tall now, huh?
I'm tall.
Are you?
Stick together.
I'm 3'6".
I didn't know cats could be that big.
I am not a cat.
Fuck you, Gates. Oh, thank you, Break. The Break pushed me to safety. Ah! What is he doing here?
Look at assholes.
The Arissa went off?
Oh, my phone's upside down. Oopsie daisies.
Oh! No!
Wait, around here. Let's see.
Yeah.
Nanome.
You're powered up. Get in there.
No! Get him!
Goat. So like 2019, 2020.
I decided it didn't need Overwatch.
Go for a punch and then instantly you steal the kill. I'm like, bro, what the f
What did I
going
do?
on?
Win.
Select your hero.
It's
Guys, we're
Urmel.
fighting Ermong.
Shut up! Yeah, this is good. And I anti. Oh! Help me with the
I got you, I got you, I
big
got you.
man. Thank you.
Yep. Oh, oh, no, get. Oh,
Goodbye.
Over here. Two.
Diva's about to fucking obliterate Lexi, so everyone get ready to laugh. Oh, yeah.
There's a doom, Biz! There's a doom!
Yeah, I know. Don't worry, I'm just farming them.
Stop.
Okay, dead.
Oh! Oh my!
I'm one, I'm dead. Oh, they're falling apart.
the
Good
bird
shit.
was dead.
Dude, that's my first death. I'm 24-1. Holy fuck.
Keep out of my way.
I almost have ult again.
Oh! Yeah! That's a big
Can't kill
anti!
anything. I
That
can't
was
kill
a big
anything.
anti!
That was a huge one.
Oh.
I don't have sleep
just
for this
fisted me.
doom. I don't have sleep for him. Leave me alone! I'm taking the dogs,
Look
dumbass.
after yourself.
Oh, that
out
was
there.
pretty good.
I'll get
Oh yeah, that
That
was
was
really
really
that was
good.
awesome.
What?
powered up. Get in there.
Oh, oh.
Oh no!
Enemy inside.
Get him! Get him!
Fuck you, bitch! Fuck
Yeah!
you, bitch! Oh, you just left me alone.
No,
Oh,
I didn't. No, 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 I didn't. Kill the Lucio. Wait, what? Kill them. Kill them. Kill them.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Oh,
Got him. Where's he? You're walled!
Get in there.
Why am I like a midget? What the heck? Oh my god.
Am I going this way? No, you little rat! Oh!
yes! That was beautiful!
Oh!
Oh my god, where's the health back signal this bad? Forgot.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What the fuck? Why am I frozen?
Oh my god! Oh! No! No!
Like how did you arrive to these conclusions? Holy shit, I think that is it quaked on.
No fucking way.
Wait,
Oh my god!
Get in there, and I'll hit you. You're powered up. Get in there.
oh. So why didn't I get healed?
No!
Much better.
I'm terrified beyond belief, dude. If I hear one fucking I'm just like, no! Leave!
Yeah, the moment you hear rising uppercut.
Exactly. He's here! No!
He's up there. He's up there. He's up there.
Leave me alone!
Where's he? Where's he?
Oh my god!
Slight overreaction.
Ah!
I'm just gonna push the robot, guys.
Ah! He's drifting! Ah! Ah!
Feeling spry. Another day in the office.
You know what?
Hey, you know what?
what?
War is a game, and I'm using cheats.
We're on the move. Your team is
A little further and lead into the house. Got eyes on an enemy. Everyone heal up. Tango spotted. Who took my dentures? That warms them all. Got eyes on an enemy.
No, no, no.